BTCUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram. So I do have a paid membership. I'm not advertising it for now because I don't want to be responsible for my students. I want to be free for now, okay? But if you want some free signals every now and then, you can join free Telegram, stay connected for more updates. Then check out the prop firm and the brokers, sign up with them, and then, create demo account and start trading with my signals, okay? There's a reason I'm giving you these brokers, because if you join my Telegram, it will be a better idea to start fresh with my signals so that you can find the difference that when you trade with my signals or when you trade with somebody else's signals, who is giving you more profit or profit ratio, accuracy, okay? So that's why you should open new accounts. But anyways, when you join the Telegram, I'll send you the instructions there anyway in the future, okay? So join Telegram and the brokers and subscribe and like, do all of that. Coming back to BTC USD, what we have this uptrend in daily. So let's start the top down with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have broken all the previous highs, okay? So boom, 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 right? So we have been going up, strong uptrend in weekly, but weekly doesn't tell us what's going to happen today. So let's go to daily. In daily, we are surely going for this high. Bye. Okay, so we took a pullback here and then we are going up again, okay? So we should look for longs, but when do we look for longs? Let's get back to 4 hour for that. Okay, 4 hour. Let's see what we have here. So down, uptrend, pullback, enter, take your pro. It's quite simple actually. Okay, so personally, I don't trade BTC USD because I have too many Forex pairs to deal with. I'm happy in Forex. It's quite, fascinating. Too many pairs to go through, okay? But anyways, for Bitcoin lovers, I'll break this down for you. Here we had double top. Double top means medium term trend reversal, which happened perfectly. Perfect, man. It was so fucking perfect, okay? The double top went down, then pullback went down, and now this is the start of a new uptrend, okay? How we know that? I think yesterday, I think I made this video on this candle. So yesterday Bitcoin was at this candle here when I was recording the video for yesterday, and then I told you, if the candle breaks below, then wait for the pullback and then go short, okay? But because this high is broken, so the trend is reversed, okay? This long blue candle has eaten these previous red candles, so you were supposed to enter buy here. If you did not enter buy here, it's fine, cool, okay? Because now we have more confirmation because this previous high is broken by this blue candle. Now we can ride the wave. All you have to do is what? Subscribe to my channel, okay? So now wait for the pullback, okay? In 4 hour pullback is going to happen. Then wait for the red confirmation candle and then go for this high. How is that? That's so fucking cool, okay? I gave you a free trade. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you when I see you. Otherwise, we don't, because I don't come on the camera. Take care.